मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड में दोनों मटेरियल यूज करेंगे हम। नंबर 1 सॉल्ट, शुगर, soil or sand, which is available to us. Okay. So in this activity you will observe when we dissolve salt or sugar in water, whether it is soluble or not soluble, insoluble. When I dissolve soil in water, whether it is dissolved or insoluble. क्या करेंगे हम? पहले सॉल्ट और शुगर को डालेंगे वाटर में। वी विल ऑब्जर्व कि वो उसमें घुल गया है कि नहीं घुला, सॉलेबल है कि नहीं है। फिर हम क्या डालेंगे? सॉइल और सैंड। जो भी मेरे पास है, आई हैव सॉइल, दैट्स व्हाई आई विल यूज, एंड वी विल ऑब्जर्व व्हाट वी विल ऑब्जर्व, यू विल राइट हियर। ओके, ऑब्जर्वेशन विल बी रिटन बाय यू पीपल। ऑब्जर्व करेंगे हम क्या है। To do this experiment, I have 3 beakers. You already have? What are these things? Beakers. You know? And this is new for you. You use spoon at home to dissolve anything. In science laboratory, we use stirrer. This is known as stirrer. It is used in place of spoon. It is like a spoon. Function of its stirrer is spoon. So I have here 3 materials. First one is sugar. Is it visible to all of you? This one is sugar. And this one is salt. And third one I have soil. We will find from these 3 materials which is soluble in water and which is insoluble in water. Okay? To do this, I have taken water in this beaker. I will convert this water into another beaker, and third beaker will also fill with water. Now, in first beaker, I will put some sugar. Okay? Come outside, one student. Sit down. Dissolve it. Do fastly. Always take beaker like this, so that everyone can see. Is sugar is dissolving in water? What are you observing? Sugar is soluble or insoluble? No, it is dissolving. Let's check whether it will dissolve or not. In second beaker, I have taken salt. What is it? Salt. In second beaker, I will take salt. I put salt in the second beaker. We will observe. We will dissolve it with the help of stirrer. We will observe that whether it will dissolve in water or not. Have you dissolved the sugar? Keep dissolving until it is dissolved completely. From this, we will observe that sugar is dissolving in water. Now we have second thing. I have taken salt. Thank you. One student come. Dissolve. What is he doing? What is he doing? Dissolving salt in water. Look, salt has completely dissolved. give you your finger. Taste it. How does it taste? Salty. How does it taste? Salty. It means salt is dissolved in water. Now, what is this? Sugar in water. Sugar in water. Taste this again. Taste. What you have observed? What type of taste? Sweet taste. It means both the solids have been dissolved in water. Sugar as well as salt. Now I have taken third solid substance, that is soil. I will put some soil in water. What we will observe? Come outside one student. Start dissolving. Stop. Keep it here. Go back. Thank you. After some time, we will see that soil will not dissolve in water. It will keep inside the water. We will observe water will come outside and soil will remain at the bottom of the beaker. मतलब जो soil है वो beaker के bottom पे जमा हो जाएगी और ये जो हमारा water है, आपको ऊपर से अलग से layer नजर आ रही है ना? Water की layer अलग हो जाएगी और soil की layer अलग हो जाएगी. It means soil is insoluble in water. From this experiment, what we have observed that what we have dissolved in this solution? Salt. But we know that it is a salty solution. Okay? We are able to see salt in this water? Yes. We are able to see salt in this water? Yes. इस water में salt नजर आ रहा है? No. You say that it means what salt is soluble in water. Sugar is available in this water? Yes. No, it has been completely dissolved. It means sugar is also soluble in water. But on the other hand, we can see that soil is depositing at the bottom of the beaker, but water is at above the sand. So, sand or soil doesn't dissolve in water. What you have observed from this experiment? अब जल्दी बताओ मुझे, salt is soluble or insoluble? Soluble. Experiment we have observed salt and sugar are soluble. But sand
could not soluble in water.
Soil are not soluble in
Water.
Not soluble or insoluble, same thing. Okay, understood what we have done now? Tell me one student what we have done today. Raise your hands. Which activity we have performed in our class today? Raise your hands who knows. कौन सी activity की है हमने class में? हाँ जी कनक बोलो.
To show salt, sugar, sand or soil can soluble or insoluble in water.
Very good. Sit down. What we have observed? क्या पता चला हमें activity करने के बाद?
Salt and
Stand up.
sand could be dissolved in water.
And sand or